ready for Green Street Academy. Bro, I'm old, bro. Like, when I think about it, bro, I'm really old. Like, I'm really old now. So, I'm an uncle. I'm in the car. I'm getting ready for school. Feel me? This is a cool little angle, though. I like this. Getting ready for school. I'm so ready. Man, I went early, though. It's like 8:10, so it being 8:10, I'm looking at you. Like, why are you looking at me, huh? So it being 8:10, I gotta get ready. Like, cause what am I talking about? All right, let me lock in, cause I'm a little excited. Hold on. So I gotta get a parking spot. So it's like 8:10. School don't start at 8:50. So I'm gonna get the parking spot. I'm gonna just sit there for a little bit because it's gonna be a lot of parents on the first day of school. So yeah, man, you already know how that goes.
What it is, YouTube? Back again. First day of school tight. So you ready to damn. He whipping that fan. You ready to see what's up to it, you feel me? Ready? Yeah. Go to school. See how the first day is.
In the building with the guys.
Y'all gonna hate me.
Oh, we just get pat down? Oh, that's hard.
Turn on this side, don't do. Okay. It's Hey guys, it's always Guapo, and we back with another girl takeover. And Eric right here. Why you hiding? It's the first day of school, the first day of senior year, our last first day, and we gonna figure this out. Right now we in first period, so we in agriculture. We got lunch next, which is early. We got lunch 10 o'clock in the morning.
I should have ate breakfast. We really got lunch now. Like,
I know it's early. Since we gotta go to lunch so early. Going to lockers.
oh wow, we not gonna have nowhere to sit.
She wanna drop our stuff off. And I gotta get my lunch. We just gotta hurry up.
Yes, I do ask too many questions. I need to know.
Okay, but we going to lunch. You know we have lunch in the morning in the AMs. It's very much breakfasty. But we going to lunch, and I guess we'll be back later. Unless y'all want to say something. Anybody else want to say something?
Oh no, hey!
Turn around.
Oh, look at y'all book bags. Y'all, and I'm back. We were going to lunch early. This is my beautiful best friend. Look at all these bald-headed kids. I love them so much.
Like, it's hot in here. It's crowded. It's crowded. It's 10th, 11th, and 12th in here all at the same time. Why would they put 3 grades in at the same time? Then it's 10 o'clock in the morning. That is not lunch. This is breakfast. Like, what? This is crazy. So, now I get a strawberry yogurt. Okay, y'all.
For me personally, I would have got
So, we in 3rd period. We in English class right now. We in AP Lit. She just gave us this paper. I don't know what it is because I didn't look. Yeah. I just need my lip liner. It was right there.
I can turn it into a makeup channel.
So, this is the lip liner I was using. It's from CoverGirl. I sold it this morning for my mommy because I couldn't find mine. That's the one I normally use, but I can't. I don't know where it disappeared to. I don't have no, but this camera's not even focused right now, but it's fine. It's fine. I don't know. It was right, so I feel like we would. Because the camera's not focused. Look at me. Look at our book bag. So this is Talia's book bag. Period.
Oh, look at the pen.
It's her pen.
And it's truthful.
It's very truthful. This is my book bag. Period. And this is my pen. Because me and Talia. Yeah.
Spider-Man. Hello Kitty.
This is Shay.
my tote bag is from Coach. Vans is from Vans. The sweater, I think I got this from Shein. Skirt is from Amazon. Shirt is from Cringey Ideas. I got my cute little Stanley from Stanley. And then this is Blake Camera bag. Yeah.
Okay. Hold your outfit from varsitycheerleading.com. Yes. Shoes from Asics. Book bag from Target. Real cute. And this is from Target as well.
Book bag from Target. Right. Shein. Varsity Cheer. A6. So guys, we're gonna go to class now, and I guess we'll catch y'all when
At some point.
I got an A+ and an AP English.
I can't believe we made it this far. I can't believe we made it this far.